the Judicial Commission of Pakistan from time to time. Now, sir, is a Judicial Commission which is under Article 175A. Now, there is another Judicial Commission which consists of, provided that the constitutional benches may comprise equal number of judges from each province. Yes, sir. The most senior judge amongst judges nominated under Clause 1 shall be the most senior judge of the constitutional benches. No bench of the Supreme Court other than constitutional bench shall exercise following jurisdiction vested in the Supreme Court, namely original jurisdiction of the Supreme Court under Article 184, appellate jurisdiction of the Supreme Court under Clause 3 of Article 185, where a judgment or order of a High Court involves constitutionality of any law or a substantial question of law as the interpretation of the Constitution, advisory jurisdiction of the Supreme Court under Article 186. For the purposes of Clause 3, a bench consisting of not less than 5 judges to be nominated by a committee consisting of the most senior judge of the constitutional benches and next two senior judges from the judges nominated under Clause 1. All petitions and appeals. Now, sir, this has to be read with Article 175A because now the Judicial Commission. Earlier, the Judicial Commission did not consist of any person who is outside judiciary. The point I am trying to make here that prior to 26th Amendment, the Judicial Commission was already there under the 18th Amendment. The difference that has come about is that Judicial Commission formation, Judicial Commission, or it had a majority of judges on that. It had majority of the judges in that Judicial Commission. Whereas after the amendment, now the judges are in a minority. Now, Chief Justice, 3 most senior judges, most senior judge of the constitutional benches, then Federal Minister of Law and Justice, Attorney General, an advocate having not less than 15 years practice in the Supreme Court, Pakistan Bar Council, 2 members from the Senate and 2 members from the National Assembly, of whom shall be from the Treasury benches, 1 from each bench, each house, and 2 from the opposition benches, 1 from each house. The nomination from the Treasury benches shall be made by the leader of the House and from the opposition by the leader opposition, meaning thereby they are members, have to be from the Parliament. Provided that during the time when the National Assembly stands as all the remaining 2 members, not important, a woman or a Muslim, non-Muslim, other than member of Majlis Shura Parliament, who is qualified to be a member of the Senate as a technocrat, to be nominated by the Speaker of the National Assembly for a term of 2 years. So, sir, in a nutshell, what it says, we will go more in detail in this when we argue about merits. But for the sake of why we are asking for full vote, I have to show that there has been a transformation by the 26th Amendment. Prior to that, the Judicial Commission consisted of a majority of judges of whether High Court, Supreme Court.
तो फिर वो उसकी merits की बात हो जाएगी ना, फिर वो कमेटी अलग थी, उस वक्त parliamentary committee, state members.
मैं सिर्फ ये कहना चाहता हूँ कि ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन जो हुई है उसमें majority of judges have gone into minority, and the majority is now with the executive branch.
ये तो आप facts बता रहे हैं, आप हमें वो कानून या आइन का वो provision बताते हैं कि जिसके तहत हमारे इख्तियार हो कोई बेंच बनाना या ताकि उसको आगे लेके चले, कानून के तहत हम करेंगे, आप वो बताएं।
ये मैं सिर्फ फर्ज कर रहा हूँ इस हद तक कि इससे इफेक्ट होता है इंडिपेंडेंस ऑफ जुडिशरी।
तो मेरिट पे आपका अच्छा केस होगा, मेरिट से अच्छा केस होगा, वो मेरिट पे आज
अभी
इस बेंच बनाने के लिए आपने हमें वो रिलेवेंट प्रोविजन ऑफ द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन या लॉ बताना होगा कि पहले हमें पता तो चले कि हमारे इख्तियार किस कानून के तहत है बेंच बनाने का, फिर उसमें ये रीजन देखेंगे फॉर दिस रीजन वी आर इंक्लाइंड टू कॉन्स्टिट्यूट द बेंच और वी आर नॉट इंक्लाइंड टू कॉन्स्टिट्यूट। पहले आप गाइड अस टुवर्ड्स द रिलेवेंट प्रोविजन आ जाते आगे बात करते हैं।
रेलेवेंट प्रोविजंस 175A है, जिसमें के कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल बेंच है, जिसमें के जो जुडिशल कमीशन है उसकी फॉर्मेशन बदली गई है। उस फॉर्मेशन का क्या इफेक्ट है? मैं अभी डीपली इनटू दिस क्वेश्चन नहीं जा
बदली गई है या पार्लियामेंट्री कमेटी को मर्ज कर दिया उसके साथ, ये इशू आया है ना।
वो कब किया?
बस पार्लियामेंट्री कमेटी को मर्ज कर दिया जुडिशियल कमेटी, पहले पार्लियामेंट्री कमेटी।
और अब शामिल करते हैं सुनो हेडलाइंस।